Hi, this is Mark Winiger with Sharp NEC Display Solutions here at the Exertis Alamo E4 show in Dallas, showcasing our ActiveScene product here. You notice that you might not see an image on the screen here. That is actually by design. The ActiveScene software is a great feature for any type of signage on glass. It can do 3 different types of setups. You can actually have an image on the screen. It can go opaque to kind of block out the screen to give you some privacy, or it can go translucent. We're able to see right through the film that's on the glass as well. Or you can set up any type of a setup where it's either 2 of the 3 or all 3 of them. Great for any type of retail application that wants to showcase product, maybe after hours, customers walking by. You'll be able to promote your products on the glass. Or if you want to use it for maybe a conference room somewhere, if you have a conference room, you can keep it off, then turn it on if you want some privacy with the opaque screen, or if you just want to show some content, or maybe even just your company logo, or you're able to do that with the film that's on there. It's completely customizable. It doesn't matter the size glass that you're going to put it on. We'll be able to cut the film to fit that size, and you'll be able to use any type of projector that you want to drive the image, whether it's a long throw or a short throw. So another great product from Sharp NEC. If you have any questions or need any info, please reach out to your Exertis Alamo account manager, or you can feel free to go to their website at www.exertisalamo.com. Thanks and have a great day.